Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna take a look at surprising similarities between English and Austrian German. Even if you don't know any word in German, I'm sure you understand all the words and phrases we covered today. So let's get started. The learning goal of this video is to learn words in Austrian German that are very similar to English. The words are mainly used in spoken form, so we rather focus on the pronunciation and less on the spelling. I write down the English word and use the pronunciation in Austrian German as well. Here we go. Is means is. A is a. House means house. So we can form a sentence. This is a house means that is a house. Park is park. Fine means fine. Wine is Wein. Here is here. Clever means clever. Fish is fish. Kindergarten is kindergarten. Internet is internet. Beer means beer. Foam is foam. It's an old-fashioned word, but it is still used. Broad means Brot. Winter is Winter. And Schnaps is Schnaps. Let's repeat the phrases we covered today. Is a house, park, Fan, Wein, hier, clever, fish, Kindergarten, Internet, Bier, Form, Brot, Winter and Schnaps. Let's call it a day. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen.